Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. Hey guys, I am back with another video and I want to do another update on a product I purchased from a print-on-demand site. Today we're going to be talking about the Printify Candle. It's been 3 months since I bought some candles from Printify, and there's been one in particular that I have fell in love with. Now this candle may be expensive, but one thing about it, it smells good and it lasts a long time. I am talking about this candle here, and as you can see, I've been using it. It still smells good. I have a little bit left in there, but it smells really good. It's a 2-wick candle. This was one of the ones that has the all-around design that's printed right on the glass. My purple still looks good on there. All in all, it smells really good. So the specs on this candle, I'm going to hold it while I talk. So I bought this Printify candle on October 25th. It's been about 3 months. The candle company on Printify is 7th Avenue Apothecary. The scent was minted lavender and sage. The candle is $32.84. They have 2 other scents and it's 2-wick. But I cannot say again how much I enjoyed the scent of this candle. I have a very open living room where it's connected to my kitchen and my dining room, and then there's a long hallway. The scent was strong enough to scent that entire area to the point where I walked in my garage or my front door and I could smell this candle. Like, even after it's been blown out, you can still smell the scent. This is what I called a good product. Now, a lot of people in some of the Printify groups were like, who's buying a $32 candle? But I have purchased a candle this size from the Magnolia Market that was pretty much $30-something. This candle is kind of shaped like that one and it smells really good. I would not keep burning it if it didn't smell good. Now, a lot of people want to say, well, how did the scent last? Like, when you open it, you can smell it. This has by far been my favorite candle from Printify. Even though it's costly, the 7th Avenue Apothecary Mint Lavender and Sage candle is a winner in my book. I'm scared to order a different scent because I feel like I won't like it as much. Now, I think the other one was like a fig tree or something and maybe a citrus scent, but I love lavender and I do use sage, so that combination together really hit it off for me. If you guys were thinking about using Printify for your print-on-demand candles, I would suggest finding a way to create a really nice label for this candle. Place it at 40 bucks. It's been 3 months. I mean, I burn candles regularly, but it's been 3 months and I'm still not completely done with this candle. So I feel like it was a really good investment. You can come up with something, but if I was to do this again, I would definitely make sure that my design stayed in the design template for the Printify candle. But all in all, Printify, I give y'all a 5 stars for vetting this company because it smells amazing and this candle is a winner. So if anyone wants to sign up for Printify, make sure you check out the link in my description box. And again, this was a Printify candle review update. I hope you're enjoying my content and I love you more than I love this video. Peace.